Hi Papa, happy birthday! 70-year-old man! I've been asked to share a happy memory of you. They're only good memories of you. That's the good thing. No bad memories. Never seen a more kinder-hearted, gentle human being than you. And the happiest and the one memory which is stuck with me is, on my day of marriage, where I put mehendi. And everybody was so busy in work, there was nobody to feed me food. And you had fed me. So that is the cutest memory I have of you. And वैसे तो childhood में तो I loved the way you played with us. And the whole house used to run after us, tried to tickle us. And the Sunday ice cream parlor visits that we had with you. And as a child, remember your biggest punishment was putting us on top of the Almirah. But that was hardly a punishment. It was a very fun moment for us, for me at least. I don't know about Tinku or anybody. And so those are all the good memories. And Tollygunge was such a beautiful. Only good memories only I have of you. No bad memories. If anybody asks me to point out one bad thing about you, even that also I won't be able to do. Perfect. And my husband is just the...
Hello, how are you? A very happy returns of the day. A very happy birthday to you. I would like to share some memories which I had with you for such a long period of time. मैंने आपके संग इतना फूड पीस खेला है, आपके संग घर में बैठ के डिनर किया है, वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I can talk to you regarding all the kind of जैसे वर्ल्ड के बारे में भी और बिजनेस के बारे में भी मैं आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ, तो बहुत कुछ सीखने भी मिलता है. दिस इज़ अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस आई हैव विथ यू. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच and I wish you a very best in your life. Thank you.
Hi Mamu, happy birthday. I hope you guys are having a blast and I wish I could be there. So the first thing I remember when I think of you is जब 8 More Avenue में as a kid आप अलमारी पे बिठा देते थे ऊपर जब कोई बदमाशी करता था तो I think all the kids have seen the top of your almari and I used to enjoy that because there used to be an air gun there and you being so tall you used to look small from up there, so I used to like being there. That's one thing that I remember, and the other thing is when I started the car and it was heading to the meter room, that's what mom says. I don't remember this happening. So these are two things that are stuck in my head. एक बार लट्टू ने भी गिरा दिया था मुझे जानबूझ के, लेकिन वो उसके बर्थडे पे बोलूंगा. Anyway, you have a great day, Mamu. Love you loads. You're the best mama one could ever ask for. God bless you. Take care. Love you. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Nanu. I hope you have a great, great birthday. So, I'm playing a happy birthday on the piano. Hope you like it. And let me see. Bye. Hope you have an amazing birthday. Love you. I really wish I could be there with you. And bye.
Happy birthday, Dad. Sorry not being able to be with you. I'm really missing out on all the fun and especially staying with you on your 70th birthday. The earliest memory is actually of you. What I can remember is you taking us riding in Victoria Memorial, you know, early in the morning, you remember? We used to have so much of fun. Thank you. Such lovely memories from Mood Avenue. The lovely picnics we used to drive around Kolkata, the holidays we took together. What I can remember, Nainital, Delhi, Agra, Bangalore, Mysore, Darjeeling, Kathmandu, our first international holiday. Where I think we stayed in Yak and Yeti or Salty, I can't remember, but we were thrilled to bits going outside the country. And another memory which I can't forget is every Friday evening used to come with this movie from Arts and Prints, and we saw all our classics and kiddie movies, and we used to so look forward to those movies which you used to get. We really never missed anything, Papa. And I remember this Russian circus. Was it the Swan Lake that you took us to in Netaji Indoor Stadium? And I don't know, we barely could see anything, but we were so excited seeing the trapeze artists swinging. Now that I'm making the video, all these lovely memories are coming back, you know. And all the mad rushing around for Madhuvan treasure hunts. But you know, the memory which I treasure the most, Papa, is creeping down in the night to see you baking your chemicals in the oven, and suddenly little green splashing onto my favorite little skirt, and I think you were doing your experiments successfully, and it was so exciting. And I'm thinking, oh, my father's so intelligent, he's making all kinds of things in the oven. You made a life for yourselves and us, and you made all effort to make our childhood so interesting and exciting. Hope, Papa, that we as kids and now as adults have and can return to you even an iota of that attention and love that you have given us. We had it all, Papa, and we have only you and Mom to thank for it. So grateful always, Papa. Have a very, very fabulous 70th. And wishing you health always. Happy birthday.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Nanu. So, one of the best memories I have with you is you pampering me and taking care of me. Also tickling me everywhere whenever I come to Nani Bari, whenever I meet you, whenever I see you tickle me. I still didn't get the logic of you tickling me, but I really like that. And you playing Monopoly and cricket with me is one of the most fun things that I have ever done with you. And I wish you all the best, and yeah, stay safe and be healthy. Please eat, and lots of love.